a meadow, bright and sunny. 5 animals that sound so funny. Let's listen close, one by one. Their noisy calls are so much fun. The cow says moo in the field so wide. Her gentle voice is full of pride. The duck quacks quack by the cool blue pond. Splashing water, splish and swan. The cat says meow with a tiny leap. Curled in a ball, ready to sleep. The dog barks woof while wagging its tail. Running along the windy trail. The sheep says baa on the grassy hill. Nibbling clover, calm and still. The frog says ribbit in the swampy green. Hopping around where it can't be seen. The horse says neigh with the gallop so fast, kicking up dust as it dashes past. The owl says hoo when the night is here, watching the stars so bright and clear. All these sounds make the world alive. In woods and fields they thrive and thrive. So close your eyes and hear the